Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me on another video. Today we're going to be making a breakfast casserole. Alright, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, I'm going to start off by peeling 5 potatoes. Then I'm going to take off all the imperfections from every single potato and then dicing it up to small cubes. These are the imperfections that I'm talking about. You just get your knife and you just cut it right off. I'm going to be using 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then I'm going to get the pan hot and then pour the potatoes in. Alright, I'm going to be using garlic salt to season my potatoes. I'm using about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of garlic salt. I will be chopping a half of a white onion and setting it aside for later use. Alright, once your potatoes are nice and brown, I will be adding the onions that I had set aside previously. Alright, for today's casserole, I'm going to be using 2 packets of Farmer John's classic pork link sausages. Once I remove them from the package, I'm gonna make a huge patty and then put it on the frying pan. So once you're done cooking your sausage well, you want to strain all the fat off of it. Alright, so I'm using this simple gravy mix. I'm going to mix it together and set it aside. Alright, let's start building this casserole. So our base is going to be potatoes. Then after that, we're going to be layering the other ingredients. Alright, so we're going to be adding a layer of cheddar cheese. It's going to be a nice even layer throughout the potatoes. Alright, now it's time to add our breakfast sausage. Guess what, guys? I will be adding more cheese. Now, you could be as generous as you like with the cheese, but as for me, I'm a cheesehead, so I'm gonna be adding more cheese. All right, let's go ahead and start adding our gravy on top of our casserole. once we add our gravy, we're going to be adding a little bit more cheese on top and then placing it in the oven. Alright, our casserole is going to go inside our oven at 350 degrees. It's only going to be for about 5 minutes, just so you get the top layer of cheese melted. Alright, I love pairing this dish with some biscuits. Let's go ahead and bake these biscuits and have them on the side of our dish. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for joining me in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.
That's all for now from Blazin Kitchen. Food so good, make you wanna slap your papa.